Okay, children. So now let us start the simple past tense. Simple past tense. Children, in our previous class, we have discussed that the simple tenses are divided into three: the simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. And we have discussed that simple present tense is used to express habitual action, universal truth, or any fact or situation that is permanent. Yes, this is about simple present tense. And now let's see about the simple past tense. The tense which is used to express an action. Used to express an action that took place. That took place, which is already done. It is used to express an action that took place at some point of time in the past, or to express past habit or an action. Or also you can write to express past habit, past habit or action. Past already, which we have completed. Okay, here also we have to see here first person, second person, and third person, children. Let us see now again. In the simple present tense also we have seen the first person, second person, and the third person. Yes. Now let's see here first person, next is second person, third person. Now here again this first person and second person we are going to divide into two, that is singular and plural. Children, look at the screen, everyone. Again we are going to divide them into two, this first person, second person, and third person with singular and plural. Now see, when it is singular, what we have to do? I. With I, we have to add was. If you are starting a sentence with I, where were you yesterday? I was sleeping. I was playing. Okay. Then if you are giving any verb, it may be a regular verb or it may be a irregular verb. Maybe a regular or irregular. For example, we will take drink. Drink is a simple present form. It is a present tense, drink. But if you go with the past, now we have to discuss about the things which we have already completed. So you can take here drank. What you have to take the past form of drink? Drank. I drank. Or this is a irregular verb. Children, in the previous class, we have discussed these irregular verbs. Irregular verbs doesn't have D or ED at the end. And some regular verbs also you can write that called. C-A-L-L-E-D, called. Yes. You can do that. So this is with singular. And with now plural, what we have to do with plural? If it is a plural, we. So with we, what you have to do? Were. Next one, we. Also, you have to write here drank. What you were doing? We were playing. We were playing. We drank a cup of milk yesterday. Okay. So, Shrestha, don't write, beta. Just listen, don't write. Next one, let us see the second person. Second person, as we have discussed in the simple present tense, what are the second person? You. For you, you have to use here were. W-E-R-E, were. Again, a past form. What past form you will use here? Anything like wrote. Okay. And here, again, you will get you only. In the plural also, you is written as you only in the singular as well as in the plural. And were is written. You have to add were with you. And again, any verb, like let us take wrote only. Third person. Next one, third person, let us take he, she, it, they. Admit. What are the third person, children? He, she, it. Okay. And here in the plural, you will get they or any name. Any name. Children, in the first. Now, tell me, children, simple present tense also we have divided three persons. First person, second person, and third person. The first person, I in singular and we in plural are the same. But you see one simple present tense, once you see with the simple present tense here we have used I. With I we have used am. And again with I, the present form only we used like drink, I drink. But here you see in the past form it is changed. What we have to write in the past form? Arham. What we have to write in the past form? In the past form with I, we should not write am. You have to write was. Instead of drink, what you have to write? Drank, past form. Yes. So this is a change, but the person is same. But the person is same. Yes. Who is that? Shanmukha Priya?
Ma'am, what is page number?
Did I ask you to open any page, Shanmukha, now? Just look at the screen. Okay. So now see, children, I persons are same, but the presentation now here it is different. With I am, here we are using was. We used in simple present tense, but here we were. In the past form, what you have to use? Were. Okay, that is only the difference. Persons are not changing. The first person, I, we is the same. The second person again, you is same again. In the simple present form also it is same. And now in the past tense also, simple past tense also, it is same. Now third person, you see children, he, she, it. In simple present tense also we have discussed about third person, he, she, it. And here also we are using he, she, it, or any name or noun, you can tell any name. So with this, what you have to use? He, she, it, any other noun is or. Okay, so rights. What we have to use here, he, she, it. With any noun, you have to add here was. In singular, you have to add was. In simple present tense, what we used is. He is playing, he is sleeping, he is eating. We wrote in the simple present tense. But now in the simple past tense, we have to write was. He was sleeping yesterday. When I went to his house, he was sleeping. When I called him, he was eating. Yes. When I went to play, he was crying because Shrestha bet everyone. Yes, you bet Shrestha? No. Yes. Okay. So was we have to write in the past form with he, she, it, or any name. Okay. Advait was writing when I called him. Okay. Arham was crying when I went to see him. So yesterday. So like that. Was. In the past form, you have to add was with any noun. And here, if they are plural, so many children are there, or so many people are there, we are using they or any name. Students. So with students, what we have to add in the plural form? We have to add were. What we have to add here? Were. Due to lockdown, all students were playing. Yes. They stopped reading and they were playing. All parents complained that they were playing. Is it right? No. Yes, yes, I know. Huh? Most of the time sitting in front of the TV, taking, say, watching in the mobiles, lots of videos. Yes. Am I right, Kavish? Yes. Most of the students are wasting their time. Most of the students. But now they have started their online classes and half of the day they are spending with their, yes, classes. Good, good. So children, when you are using a plural form, they or any other name like students, teachers, friends, or names, any name, okay, then you have to add were in the past form. These are the first person, second person, third person you have to remember. In first person, you will get I, we. With I, we, you have to use was. With I, you have to use was. With we, you have to use were. If it is a singular, was. If it is a plural, were. This remember. Singular, was. He was playing. Rahul was playing. I was playing. So with I, with he, she, it, with one name, you have to use was. And in the plural form, we, you, they, or some names. So what you have to use? Were in the past form. Okay. Now look at down. There are some examples here. I went to the library. What is the present form of went? Go. Yes, don't say I goed. I goed to library. We should not add ed with all the verbs. Yes, children, we have to add ed with all the verbs. Should we add? Unmute and tell me.
No, ma'am. No,
No,
ma'am.
we should not add. We should
No,
not
ma'am.
add
No,
ed.
ma'am.
Yes. So
No.
some are regular verbs and some are irregular verbs. With regular verbs, you can add what you have to add with the regular verb. In our previous class, we have discussed ed, d or kavesh. We have to add d or ed with a verb in a regular. Irregular, you should not add d or ed. So let us see some examples now. What you will write for the past. What are the past forms of this? Very fast. You have to unmute yourself and you have to tell me. Okay, past forms. And tomorrow in our class, we'll discuss about the future tense. Now you have to unmute and tell me. Go past form. What is the past form of go?
Gone.
No.
Went.
Went.
And
Yes, went.
went. And they started to chat again.
Eat.
Eat. Ate.
Very good. Ate.
Ate.
Okay. And next one, I will ask you. Pack.
Next one. Pack. Packed.
Packed. Okay. Call.
Called.
Good. Put. Put only. Yes. Put only. You should not say putted. Huh?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. No. KNOW. No.
Ma'am. New.
Very good. Well done, children. So these are all the past forms. You have to use were, was with past form. And with present, you have to use is and are. Okay. So now you have to open page number 19. Open beta course book, page number 19.